this video, we're going to take a look at solving exponential equations where you have an exponential on one side and a number on the other. The goal is going to be to have both sides have the exact same base. In this case, the base we want is a 4. So we need to figure out how to turn 64, if possible, into 4 to some number. To do this, we're going to take 64 and divide it by 4. So we're going to split it up into its factors. 64 is the same thing as 4 times 16. 16 is 4 times 4. So 64 really is equal to 4 to the third power. You can verify this by using your calculator and doing 4 to the exponent of 3. So 4 to the 5x minus 4 equals 4 to the third. Since our bases are the same, that means our exponents must also be the same. This means that 5x minus 4 must be equal to 3. We can solve this equation by adding 4 to both sides, giving us 5x is equal to 7, and then dividing both sides by 5, giving us x is equal to 7/5. Here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video, work it out, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. Again, we have an exponential on one side and a number on the other. So we want to turn 8 into an exponential as well. So we want to turn 8 into 2 to some power. So to do this, we're going to take 8 and split it up into its factors. 8 is equal to 2 times 4, and 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So this means 8 is equal to 2 to the third power. So we have 2 to the 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the third. Since our bases are the same, that means our exponents must also be the same. So 3x plus 2 must be equal to 3. We can subtract 2 from both sides, giving us 3x is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, and then divide both sides by 3, giving us x is equal to 1/3. There are 2 more for you to try on this video. Here's the second to last one. 3 to the 4x plus 3 equals 9. Go ahead and pause the video, work it out, and press play when you're ready to see the answer. So just like the previous two, we have 3 to the 4x plus 3 equals 9. We have an exponential on one side and a number on the other. So we want to turn 9 into 3 to some power. You may not need to even factor 9 because you'll notice that 9 is 3 times 3, or 3 squared. So 3 to the 4x plus 3 is equal to 3 squared. Our bases are the same. That means 4x plus 3 must also be equal to 2 because our exponents must be the same. We can solve this by subtracting 3 from both sides, giving us 4x is equal to -1, and then dividing both sides by 4, giving us x is equal to -1/4. And the last one for you to try. Go ahead and try this one out. Press pause and press play when you're ready to see the answer. For this one, again, we want the 4 to be a power of 2. You'll notice that 4 is 2 squared. So we take 4 and split it into its factors. It's 2 times 2, or 2 squared, and we have 2 to the 2x minus 7. Since our bases are the same, that means our exponents must also be the same. So 2x minus 7 is equal to 2. We can solve this equation by adding 7 to both sides, giving us 2x is equal to 9, and then dividing both sides by 2. X is equal to 9/2.